Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the phone is unlocked and has enough battery. This prevents sudden shutdowns during settings changes. Open the Settings app now, use the gear icon in your app drawer or pull down and tap the gear. Once open, glance at About Phone to note the Android version so you follow the right path. Different versions move menus. With settings open and your version known, you're ready to navigate to network and data controls. Next, go to Network and Internet or Connections. OEM skins differ, so follow the label that matches. Tap Data Usage. Here you'll see allowance stats and a data saver option that indicates whether it's on. Tap Data Saver to open detailed controls where you can see which apps are restricted from background data. If you can't find the menu, use Settings Search and type Data Saver or Data Usage. That will jump you straight to the control panel. Now toggle Data Saver off. The switch is usually at the top of the screen. When you turn it off, the system restores normal background data access so apps can sync and send notifications. Make sure to check unrestricted data access or app-level settings if a specific app still behaves as if limited, granted unrestricted access. Once done, restart the phone to clear any lingering network states. If issues continue, confirm mobile data is enabled and contact carrier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.